Good morning, children. Today's work we will start with exercise number 3.1, question 9. Write the missing numbers in the boxes to complete the additions. One is done for you. Here the numbers are 105 plus 206 and your answer is 311. Actually, this is done for you, that's why the digits are written in the boxes, but rest of the questions we will do. So how to do, let us see. Here you are given two boxes are empty actually, and 7 plus 777. So first we will start from the ones place. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So 4 will down and 1 will carry over. That carry over number 1 will become in this box. Now carry over number is 1. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Now assume that this is a blank box. So here you are given 7 and here it is 9. So you have to think about, okay, in 7 which number I will add to get 9. So simply we know that 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. That's why 2 will come in the given box, right? So empty boxes we have filled with the digits and our answer is 984. C1. 682 plus 1 blank box and 3. We will start from ones place. 2 plus 3, here it was actually blank box and we will write answer of this addition. 2 plus 3, 5. So 5 will come in the box. Now here 8 is there, here blank box is there, here 8. So you have to think about, okay, in 8 which number I will add to get 8 as an answer. So 8 plus 0, if I will add 0 to the given number 8, so 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 only. That's why the missing digit for this box is 0. Now 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 7 is the answer of this box. I hope this much is clear to you, students. If you are having any doubt, you can watch the video more than one time or you can call me. Now next topic is estimating the sum of numbers. For that we can say estimate the numbers, round up the numbers to the nearest tens and add the numbers or add them. Students, this topic is completely new for you, so learn it very carefully and this remember things you will write in your notebook. So what is that? To estimate the numbers, what we need to do, to round off a number to the nearest 10, look at the digit in the ones place. If it is less than 5, round down by writing 0 in the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, round up by adding 1 to the digit in the tens place and write 0 in the ones place. To better understand, we will take some examples. Here example number 1, number is 43. This is a two digit number 43. 3 is on ones place and 4 is on tens place. Now this number 43 we are going to rounding off nearest tens. Dear students, to rounding off nearest tens, underline the tens place digit, observe the ones place, and rule is to rounding of the number nearest 10 is the number on the ones place is less than 5, then the digit in the tens place will not change. It means 4 will be 4 only and on behalf of 3 we will write 0. It means 43 rounded off nearest tens and the number is 40. One more example, number 65. 5 is on ones place, 6 is on tens place. Now dear students, again we are going to rounding off nearest tens. So underline the tens place digit, observe the ones place. If the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1, or you can say add 1 to the tens place number, means 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 6 will become 7 and 5 will become 0 after a rounding off. It means our rounded off number is 7070. Again one more example, 88. Number 88, here the digit in the ones place is more than 5, means 8, and you will underline the digit in the tens place. Now observe the ones place digit. It is more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1, or we will add 1 to the tens place digit, means 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, and rest of the digits will be 0, means 90. Same way we have taken more examples. 546. So students, here it is 3-digit number and we are going to rounding off nearest 10. So tens place digit will be underlined, and observe the ones place digit. Here ones place digit is 6, means more than 5. It means the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1, means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. This 5 will come as it is, and this 4 will be changed into 5, means this 5 will become 5 only. Here we have added 1, so 4 plus 1 5, and rest of the digit will be 0, means our rounded off number is 550. Same way 923, digit in the ones place is less than 5, means 3 is there, so digits in the tens place will not change, means 9 will come as it is, 2 will not change, that's why 2 will come as it is, and rest of the digits, means on behalf of 3 we will write 0. So our rounded off number is 920. Last example, 375. Dear students, here also 3-digit number is there and digit in the ones place is 5. So as per the rule of rounding of the numbers, if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Increase by 1 means you have to add 1 to the tens place digit, means 7 plus 1 8. 3 will come as it is, so we have written 3 here, added 1 to this number, 7 plus 1, so 8, and rest of the digits will be 0, means 0 we have written here, and our answer is 380. I hope now this is clear what is called estimation, right? Now we will start exercise number 3.2 in video number 2. Thank you.